Hey folks, this is another S Group daily review video, video number 97. Just want to give you guys a quick update on how my account's doing here. I noticed, we got our earnings last night. We made, see, I'm at 648 here. We actually made, there it is, 81.99, 0.46 is our earning percentage. I made 81.99. And also had some bonus that came in last night as well, 59.04 from one of my team members. So yeah, guys, I'm almost at $800 here. That's a really great day. Considering, so that's like 140 bucks that came in yesterday with my earnings and my bonus, which now is 120.30. So as you see, that's about 650. About 770 or so I have in there, and there's still 2 more days left, today, Thursday, and then tomorrow, which is Friday. And then I'm going to be combining these two deposits together, and then I'll shoot this amount, whatever this will be by after Friday's earnings. That'll go up here, and then whatever that total amount is between this number and this number, I'm going to take 400 of that, reinvest it back into the principal, which is 23.2, so that'll go up to 23.6, and then the remainder I'll take out, and then I'll have money for myself to enjoy, pay the bills, do whatever I have to do. So things are moving along real well here, guys. I go down to the bottom and look at my investments. Whoop, there we go. As you see, I have my two investments running. When I do switch over to 25,000, guys, so yeah, I'm basically going to be 23.6 by Friday. 2 weeks after that, I'll be at 24,000. So as you see, I'm getting pretty close to 25,000, which is the next tier, guys. So this right here, where it says 75.25, that will go to 80.20. So I'm going to earn an extra 5% of the daily earnings share. Yeah, very exciting here, guys. As you see here, the next tier is 25,000, 80.20. So that'll be me real soon. Right now it's February 9th, so I should be reaching that about end of March. That's my projection. And then from there, I'm just going to let that ride, guys. Just keep putting in $400 every 2 weeks. And one day, I'll reach 50,000, and that's definitely going to be an exciting time. So if this looks all good to you guys, you can be a part of this passive income earning opportunity. You just have your money in your account, and then every day you just start earning money on the money you have invested, which, as you can see, the money has been coming in here, guys. 111, 56, 47, 63, 77, 110, and so on. So this could be you guys. There is a sign up link down below if you're interested in signing up with S Group, and you can join my team, and I'll walk you through everything, guys. I've been with this company for over 2 years now, and things are going real well. I've enjoyed the money. I've reinvested some of the money, and that's how things have been moving along. So also there is all the different areas in S Group you can invest your money in. As you see, I have everything in Forex. Once I get way up in the system, like about 40, 50 grand or so, I'll start throwing money in these other areas, start growing these as well. So that's kind of the long-term projection. And but for now, I'm just doing the Forex market, which is going real well here. And guys, you can click on the sign up link down below, join my team. If you have any further questions about S Group, how everything works and things of that nature, you can reach out to me through email. Email is the best way. I have my email goes right to my phone, and then we can communicate, and I can fill in all the details of S Group and how everything works. And don't forget to click on the sign up link down below in the video. That way you can subscribe to my channel, and you can be made aware of all the updates, how I'm doing, my progress, and everything else that goes with it. So I just want to make this quick 5-minute daily review video to show you guys the money I made last night, also the commissions as well. I haven't showed a lot of commissions in my previous videos. So as I said, I mentioned I made 59.04. Should have some other commissions coming in the next few days from my other team members. When they reinvest their earnings, I get 9%. So that's another passive way to make income as well from your team members. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and thanks for watching my video. See you in the next one.